everyone, we're back with a demystifying productivity pro tip today. This time we're revealing the secret storage area for your files shared in Teams. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Ever tried sharing a file with someone that you've already shared with another, and you get the message that pops up saying you've already shared this file? Do you want to replace it? What's all this about? Why can't you just share it? Turns out that when you drag a file and drop it into a Teams chat box, Teams creates a copy of that document in your OneDrive, so it's available to the person or people you were trying to share it with. This can be extremely frustrating when sharing different documents that share the same name. To locate the documents that you've previously shared, check out the top level of your OneDrive. All the files you've ever shared to a Teams chat are stored in the folder Microsoft Teams Chat Files. To share one of these files or any other file already in your OneDrive with someone else, simply right-click the file, hover over OneDrive, and click Share. Click Settings. Some files you can prevent anyone with access to the file from downloading a copy of it. View or edit settings and select who should have access to the file. Apply the setting changes, then add names if you're specifying who can access, and a message to email the link or simply copy the link to paste into your Teams chat. And there you have it. No more confusion when sharing or resharing files in Teams. And now you know how to navigate the file share settings like a pro. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.